there were people standing with Riek Machar. Bugule Adi Riek Machar, first vice president, so that his people who were killed in Juba are compensated and peace will come. Ana gutulo menu, if it is a matter of compensation of the people who have died, let Riek Machar tell you how many Dinkas did he slaughter in Bor 1991. And what did we give to the people of Bor to compensate their people? What did we give to the people who died in all the states? I don't agree with whatever suggestion that we have be given the position of the first vice president. I refuse. When people insisted, أنا قلت لهم كلام بسيط بس قلت لهم يا جماعة إذا ما تحل المشكلة بخلق مشكلة تاني جديد. You want to solve the problem of Riek Machar by appeasing him at the expense of Equatorians. What if Equatorians take their guns and they rise against the government? What will you give them? I don't want. Equatorians have been patient, have been quiet. They did not do anything all this time. Now we ran into a deadlock. And then the threats of sanctions were being waved in my eyes. They have a very funny language that they say, well, there are people hanging up there with a stick. Ana gutolomiyaki stick there. Kle dugu fiye heta dare dugu. Dare dug ras, kle dug ras. Dare dug wen, kle dug. And I cannot be threatened by Kalamde. In that way, I came to you without peace. Lumana rajatu, majib to salam. Kalamatani, Riek Machar Galder, Jeshen. يكون عنده جيش ويكون الجيش على عنده ندى يكون جيش براو. أنا قلت له what is the purpose؟ أنت داير جيش ليه شنو؟ عشان تعمل به شنو؟ نحن في سنة 2005 لما طالبنا بجيش في جنوب السودان we wanted to defend the CPA. عشان مؤتمر وطني ما يستخدم الميليشيات عشان يخربوا. And you know how many times did we fight in Malakal with the militias who were backed by the government of Sudan. I said, if you have a hidden agenda, please tell us. Are you demanding any secession? Gal Mafi, Anagulo Taib. I don't accept the issue of two armies. Gal for their protection. This is why they need the army to protect them. Angulo, how do they protect you? That you come to Juba with your army, then we will fight tomorrow. تخوش في المساء وبكرة النيران بولا. Because what is the mechanism البمشي بيحفظ الجيشين ده? We did not agree there also. Mediators قال يكون في two separate armies in 3 months pre-transitional period. قال جيش يكون مع جيش بتاعه ويكون commander in chief هناك. بعد 3 شهور his army is to be amalgamated with your army. أنا قلت لهم يا أخي كلمة amalgamation ده that means you do it to equal forces. تجيب فصيلة من هنا وتجيب فصيلة من هنا تلخبطهم لكاد ما تكون سريع وتعمل تمشي قدام لكاد ما تكون كتيبة. Riek wants to know the size of my army. لما يعرف الجيش بتاعي كم يمشي يعمل recruitment عشان كمان يكون عنده جيش. وقال إنه I will be the one paying this army. أنا أقول له no. لما نكون ماسكين جيش بتاعنا في جنوب هنا ده it was not President Bashir who was paying for that. We were meeting our own expenses للجيش بتاعنا. Number 3 بتوعه قال إنه عنده expenditures بتوعه اللي هو اللي لقوه في غابة هنا ده and they have to be paid by the government. أنا قلت لهم واحد من المediators ده مندوب بتاع الخرطوم and was an active army general when we were fighting. So he was fighting with us in Juba here, in Upper Nile, in the Nuba Mountains, wherever he has fought with us. I said, you ask this man. Lomanenu Wagabna al-Harb Mount. Did we ask President Bashir to pay for our expenses that we incurred during the struggle? Ugala. أنا أقول لدكتور يك جبنا كم دبابة during the war وكم rifles وكم سلاح. Did we ask the government to pay for them? He said no. I said then where did you get this new strategy that I should pay for your guns that you have used to kill the people of South Sudan with? Am I the one to buy them for you? ما في زول جوبني. أنا أقول أوكي expenditures بتاعك ده حاجات بتاعك. You handle them. قال لي دولة ده بتاعنا كلنا. أنا قلت yes. ده بتاعنا كلنا until when you put down your gun and we come in, we make the agreement. Yes, you will talk of being a citizen of South Sudan who deserve anything from the South. The next issue was power sharing. Who the assembly, the National Assembly, Yehelu must be dissolved. Ubadak yakunu equally. And Nas Al-Khan Mafi, Finas who are not represented, but then Finas who are in the parliament, Uma Arifin Shokol Betom Zatu Shunu, Ma Arifin Shokol Yamul Shunu fi parliament. Fellow few members with the parliament guiding my hinada, Yarib Al Kalam de Kalam Betom. Lo yikum gadin fi barlaman sake bas tamsu guruj bitakum tamshi bet. That was not your mission. Fariyek Machar gala nazede yatalawum bara. We yibu nas kwesin men bara. Ana gutlo yakui. These people were elected. If they were elected by their constituencies, whether Sajmanin or Lama Sajmanin, none of us is qualified to dismiss them.